Hey guys, welcome back. So today is the day for chicken lovers, and so I have come up with a killer chicken recipe for you all. Let's see what all we need for that. We need some fresh ripe tomatoes, 5 to 8 in numbers, and then some onions, 2 medium sized, coriander powder, salt, cumin seeds or jeera, chili powder, turmeric, and some ginger garlic paste. Here are some spices: bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, red dried chilies, and some pepper powder. Don't miss the important ingredient, fennel seeds or sauve. In addition to that, for marination, I have used chili onion garlic powder, lemon juice, 1 cup curd, and some fresh coriander leaves. You may also include mint leaves if you want. I have only used coriander leaves. So here I have marinated the chicken, and to do that, just grind all these ingredients into a smooth paste and nicely coat it all over. Refrigerate the chicken for 4 to 5 hours in an airtight container. Now marination will add flavor to your chicken, making it more tender and juicy. I'm using some soaked almonds here. You can also use cashew nuts. Now let's start preparing. We'll firstly dry roast these spices. I have added cinnamon here. You can take 1 inch of cinnamon stick, and don't keep the flame too high. It may burn the spices and spoil the flavor. Split the cardamom or elaichi before adding it. I have used 2 to 3 of them. Then add 2 red chilies. Here we go. Some cloves. 2 to 3 would be enough. And finally some fennel seeds. This is very important for the flavor. Just dry roast them. Now it's done and completely cooled, and I'm going to shift this into a bowl and keep it aside. Now take a kadhai and use little oil to fry the chopped onions. We have to fry it nicely. Do not burn, just fry it. Now add some jeera or cumin seeds. There you go. Give it a good mix. While the onions are getting fried, I will leave it here and flame roast the tomatoes. So here I have taken 6 to 7 ripe tomatoes. Riper the better. I have some big and small ones. Now I'm going to coat them with little oil. This will help in the flame roast process. So I'm using a fork here, and there you go. Keep the flame medium to high and hold the tomatoes an inch higher. Fire roast the tomatoes until the skin turns black. You can see it's becoming nice orange color of the flame, slowly turning to a black coating, and you can also see the skin slipping off. So we have roasted all the tomatoes, and you can see how easily the skin is coming off. Now we're going to clean them all. So once it cooled, peel off the skin and just clean the leftovers. Fire roasting brings out the tomato sweetness and imparts a distinct smoky flavor to your dish. You can try this for any of the other recipes where you use tomatoes. Just try roasting and using it. Meanwhile, the onions are completely fried, as you can see, and I'm going to keep it aside to cool down. Now we'll grind the onions and the dry roasted spices and keep this paste aside. Meanwhile, we'll grind the almonds, roughly grind them, and stir fry with little oil. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a good mix, and finally add little water. After 5 minutes, add these tomatoes and give it a good mix. Slightly stir them and cook this mixture for 10 minutes. Now once these tomatoes are done, as you can see, we'll blend this mixture into a fine puree. Now put some butter in the kadhai. You can see the butter melting. And bring in the marinated chicken. There you go. Put the marinade mix and stir gently. Cook this for some time and then add the tomato puree. Now we'll add the fried onion and spices mixture which we have grinded and mix this very gently. Now add some salt as per your taste. Coriander powder, 2 teaspoons. Some chili powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons as per your taste again. And pepper powder, 2 teaspoons. And finally some bay leaves. Now give it a good mix. Now we will add little water here and keep the flame low to medium. Let the chicken rest and cook slowly. Meanwhile, just keep checking in between. The chicken is partially cooked now. You can see the oil coming over the mixture and it's giving a very good flavor now. Just gently mix it. You can see the oil coming over the sides. So we'll leave it for some more time. So the chicken is cooked now. We're going to add some freshly chopped coriander leaves and give it a good mix. You can see it's nicely cooked and our chicken bhuna masala is ready to serve. Here we go, and I'm serving this chicken bhuna masala with some hot steamed rice. You can also try this with parathas or chapatis, any Indian bread. It will be really delicious. So please try this recipe and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.